Today, I'm in the popular village of Monkton Heathfield and I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this bespoke 4 double-bedroom detached family home. Constructed in 2014, this property benefits from ample gated driveway parking, a sizable low-maintenance rear garden, and is conveniently located on an O3 road. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this fantastic home, or maybe evaluation on your own property, then please do get in touch.